Hey everybody, I'm Steve Scanlon from Steve Scanlon Photography. I just wanted to just let everybody know that this winter I'll be holding workshops where you can join me and I can teach you everything I know about landscape photography. I'll be tackling the coastline here, beautiful Jersey Shore, as well as we'll be going inland and doing some river shots as well. And if you want to join me, please send me an inbox or send me an email at steve@scanlawn.com, steve@scanlawn.com. I'm more than happy to get back to you, give you more specifics. And this is just, I know it's cold out here, but there's a lot to offer, and I really want everybody to know that I'm available to help you out, and looking forward to it. You guys have a great new year, and I really want to thank, first off, I should have started the get-go. You guys have been great. I really appreciate the support. I've been having a lot of fun waking up early, taking shots, and sharing them with you. And now I'm at the point where I kind of want to teach people what I'm up to and show you how I do it. So send me an inbox, send me an email, and maybe I'll do an event page too where you can respond to that. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the other side.